And when I look at the debate this week we are here debating over pettiness like a name, a term, fighting over nonsense. That is what we are experts of. We fight over nonsense. There are 52 languages in Ghana. All of them deserve their language to be printed anywhere. All of them. They deserve that. In Frafra, Dagate, Dagare, Sisala, Kontunkuli, Nanumba. They all deserve. We shouldn't have any kind of dominance of some kind of ethnicity who wants to dominate all the time. Fairness, equity, that's the gospel of Jesus Christ. Treat your brother well and fair. What you don't want us to do to you, don't do it to your brother. Simple. You are not the only people who will always be receiving attention. That is not Christianity. More, there's some kind of dominance that comes with certain people that nonsense is that. Everybody deserves that attention also. It's sometimes interesting, you know, what the Bema could have so the papa. First question, offering say, mommy, offering say, come on, offering say. We have not told you our history. When I married a Quell boy, married a Krobo girl for 4 years, we had what we had never seen before. The the problems they gave us, you will not believe. Aden waware kroboni. Ensewunu, wona me no kotena. Fansewunu gina, wona me no kotena. One day I stood here and said, Obia umpe kroboni, don't come back. Is here biao? You are bringing your nonsense pettiness to the house of God. As soon you bring it to the house of God, and we are purporting useless stigmatization and stereotypization against innocent people. Adenya oya igbeni aden oya nkreni aden oya kontonkolini ofri sirim ofri hen. Stop it! Offering him. You will have people who have no Christ in them say things that we pepe ni. Pepe. What is pepe? Pia! What is pepe? Pepe ni. I know what you're saying. So now we are not even looking at brains. We are not looking at character. We are now looking at Pepe. Pepe spirit. Pepe. Bemen wunyam fu jina wenim. Yadi yam pepe for. Mramope hefo. Hefo na mope. Pepe ni. Unya. Historically, certain tribes had to go and marry from another tribe to have certain stature and certain form and structure of people. Tells me that everybody needs somebody. Everybody needs somebody. Now let me bring it to the main message and the core message and push it this way. This is not the time for pettiness, like petty party, political, vindictive nonsense. We don't need it. Or your MPP, or your MPP in TDA, or rights or joining MPP, or rights or share MPP at or right to that, or your NDC, or rights or your NDC. It does not stop us from relating as brothers and friends. It's just a political party which is here now and it will be gone tomorrow. Because CPP and Debbie Baba, they will not even have an assemblyman. You will not believe. They are out of all the seats in parliament. There is no CPP there. MPP ena NDC nso betwa mu.
Hi guys, let's fast on facts. So there's a video in circulation where Kennedy Akan Agyapong was telling somebody, don't hold me, don't touch me. Why? Waiting this up. Guys, I'll be sharing the video in the background before we continue. So guys, I'm sorry, but they're so funny. I've come to the realization that, guys, you can brand whatever you want to brand. Guys, the Akan people will say Subai to say insane. You can never hide like who you are. You can never. It will definitely catch up with you. Guys, in today's video, Kennedy Akan Agyapong, just like every well-meaning Ghanaian, including President Akufo Addo. Guys, you can appreciate that in the background. President Akufo Addo, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Mr. Kennedy Akan Agyapong, and all and sundry, including Obede, attended the one week ceremony of Dad Lumba, our beloved musician. And of course, you know that he's one of the musicians who always compose a song for the New Patriotic Party. And the famous song, Agyapong was part of the delegation. In fact, this time around, politicians want people to see them, especially because 2026 is just around the corner, and the New Patriotic Party is definitely going to organize a primary for aspirants who have already filed their nomination. Kennedy Agyapong, as part of the delegation, was also present, and as he was getting down his vehicle, some guy decided to touch him. Guys, just observe the video once again and look at Kennedy Agyapong's reaction and let me know what he was saying in that video. He said, don't touch me. And you see, I'm imagining he telling the boy, you poor boy, why do you touch me? This is iron cloth. Do you know how much it's cost? Guys, I'm obviously trying to have fun here, all right? But I am of the view that everybody has an anger issue. So at that particular moment, I don't know if the guy stepped on his polished shoe and touched his iron cloth or what. Because this is a presidential hopeful. You should love the poor people. You should start embracing them with a hug. What do you think, guys? This fast or fact? Let me know what you think. Signing out.
So me, sana baumia san fa napo ombelusu more.
Baumia san so fa napo ombelusu more.
Napo will be the worst option for
Baumia.
Yes.
But then I watch videos no so near mana it looks as if the two will tango together.
No. He will be the worst option.
But so what videos?
Me say he will be the worst option.
He will be
the worst option.
As running mate.
What the opa yen tron the date in Tarha, and that's 29th.
29th, yes, I guess.
So date in it all. He will be the worst option.